Today, we're going to show you how to install and set up a SRAM T-Type transmission on the new Dreadnought. SRAM's T-Type transmission requires a specified setup procedure based on chain length, derailleur configuration, and lower guide location. This setup eliminates the need for B-tension adjustments. All Dreadnoughts are shipped with a custom single-position MRP MXG chain guide. Before we begin, make sure the guide is installed. The next step is to make sure that you have the correct length of chain for your frame size. S1 uses 124 links, S2 uses 126 links, S3 uses 128 links, and S4 uses 130 links. These chain lengths are based on using a 32-tooth front chainring. Now we need to prepare and install the derailleur. In our case, you will need the setup key in the position B. Use a small flathead to remove the key and put it in the appropriate position. The setup cog for this installation is gear 7. This is the cog with the red ring. To get the derailleur into the install position, press the top button of the controller to shift the derailleur into the fully outboard position. Now shift the derailleur into the setup position. Press the bottom button 5 times so the derailleur is aligned with the setup cog. Make sure the frame is clear and the plastic bushing insert has been installed. Rotate the knurled ring clockwise until it stops. Apply grease to the mount bolt threads and underside of the bolt flange. Install the derailleur and tighten the mount bolt. Loosen the mount bolt 1 full turn. Rotate the derailleur cage forward and lock it into the open position. Now we can install the wheel. Apply grease to the through axle threads before installing. Position the wheel and install the axle. Tighten the axle until it's snug, then back it off 1 turn. Now we can proceed with mounting the chain. Place the chain on the setup cog and route it through the derailleur and around the chainring. Use the power lock to connect the ends of the chain. Rotate the derailleur cage forward to release the cage. Reposition the cage so that the cage mode button locks the derailleur cage in the setup position. Pull back on the lower cage of the derailleur to remove slack from the chain. While still holding the cage, rotate the cranks forward twice to make sure the chain stays in the setup cog. Tighten the mount bolt to 35 Newton meters while continuing to pull back on the cage. Verify that the knurled ring mark is aligned with the mark on the derailleur. Now, tighten the rear axle to 12 Newton meters. Release the cage from the setup mode, and that's it. That's how you set up a SRAM transmission on the Forbidden Dreadnought. Check out our tech support page for more details, or feel free to reach out to our customer support team with any further questions.